kunalento abantu abakhala ngaka kakhulu ukuthi u-MEC wakaCocta umfundisi
bathi ungenela kakhulu komasipala be-ANC
Yes.
abayeke ba-FP
bathi laba IFP sandle uyasixegisa. Is that a fact or just
ungayi lapho kodwa yazi mfele ngihlekiswe yini wasibona isigebengu makhonjo sona ngesibhamu siyamemeza sibuza amaphoyisa sithi amaphoyisa wenza
sazi ne-police station
azathi ne-IPD ayenza ilutho bayi-useless aba-investigate amaphoyisa. So it's a case of laphana ukuthi isigebengu sesikhonjwa ngesibhamu manje isibhamu sebasiphucile sekukhonjwa sona. uCocta under u-ANC was heavily abused. Ikakhulu ngesikhathi sikabonga isithole mloyi.
I remember.
She abused it. I hope she will watch this and then she will have to take me to court. Yeah. She abused it. She abused it a lot. Ngikhumbula nje ngangibhala udaba la semtubatuba.
Yes.
Administrator wakhona kwaku-Dr. Siyantula. Uphinda abe umfundisi. Izenze izinto emhlabeni. Uphinda abe umfundisi uDr. Siyantula. Nesondo nje impela yashumayela. Yeah, uphinda beyiqabana uvenithi yabona nje.
Into engahlangana nje leso kuba i-ANC ngapho into engiyibuza kumfundisi uDubu ukuthi kanjani ukuthi ngophela
anyway asidlule lapha ngifuna ukubalula nje one case of abusing uCocta no administrator to achieve ama political ends. Bayisu uDr. Siyantula istaff sasemtubatuba sasicomplaina ukuthi you can't be bringing back uDr. Nduli when 90% of the challenges that we're facing in this municipalities we cause yeah, exactly. You also remember ukuthi immediately after the 2011 elections kwaba ne sort of a stalemate kumasipala waseNquthu. You remember ukuthi the IFP ake kwayena majority la. I think kwaba ne instability. uCocta decided to even intervene and disband amasipala kwaba nama fresh elections. Remember ama elections labahluka khona ungazuthi
ngiyakhumbula.
So I'm just balula nje ama cases whereby they were abusing political power under uCocta. And then you go to Nancy Hawkins la next time Peter Respect they never acted. Yabona.
Ekufuza ngabe kade Respect umsunduzi fuza kade afakwe administration kubole yonke into.
In fact bayifaka nje kwaba west bayigwela njalo. Kwathi kwakuma elections last year bawukhipha under administration say face. Ngihle kumasipala wasothukela. Ukuthi umasipala wasothukela iyazi ifamily yakugudisa amato. Yeah, they are there and right now ibona abakhala kakhulu ukuthi umasipala wasothukela is failing. Make no mistake, IFP na inama challenges in terms of delivering kakhulu amanzi komasipala. Check Zululand, Majuba and everything. But you can't pin on them ama challenges azothukela because bayazi abantu abanje nje imali yasothukela wazwa kuqama to. They are still there, they've not been arrested. Some of them have become millionaires and they now own half of Mnambithi. And they own almost everything a property Mnambithi. Yeah, so you can't be blaming them. Yabo. So laba bayekukhala yabona. It's a case nje futhi isigebengu sibhamu sesikhombe ngakusona. Uyasazi isigebengu sesinjalo.
Sibona nanokuthi yini into right kumele yenziwe. Kodwa the time besingale bengenjalo. No,
angithi kufana nabantu ababenefita corruption.
Yes.
They see nothing wrong up until they are on the other side. Njengoba wenza la nutrition.
Yes.
Ukuthi it's not that lana kulwa the good guys and the bad guys.
Yeah.
It's corrupt guys versus corrupt guys here.
Yeah.